What's up guys, I'm here with another video. Today I'm going to talk about how to use this properly. And if you've seen any of my videos or any of my recent ones, I've been doing several reviews of massage guns. And then it's kind of hinged on me that a lot of people don't actually know how to use these things properly. And it's not like it's very difficult or that there's a lot of specific ways to use them. It's just people don't really know how to go about finding the best places to target them. So I'm starting kind of a kind of tip series on things you should try and do when using a massage gun. So this video is going to be a tip number 1. So first I'll start off by what you should not be doing. So when you're using a massage gun, you should not go to the bone. You'd be surprised because it seems like kind of common sense that, okay, if I'm going to massage my body, I'm not going to go at the bone, right? But despite that, there are actually a lot of people who, upon their first time holding a massage gun, they start and they hit the bone and they get that motion. No, that's wrong. Just don't do it. We'll start with kind of the basics here. A massage gun is used for myofascial relief. And that is like the fancy kind of term. Myo means muscle, fascial means pertaining to the fascia. So pertaining to muscle fascia, basically, which is a combination of muscle and connective tissue that holds that muscle in place. And basically what you're doing is when you're applying percussion massages onto that, you're releasing the tightness that has built up in the form of like tension or something via some sort of level of activity or something like that over the course of time. And yeah, that's pretty much all you need to know. So don't go at the bone, instead go at your muscle and find little points of tension or tightness. They're commonly referred to as knots, but it's debatable in the health community whether knots are actually a real thing. Knots are essentially just a point of tightness where tension has accumulated and could be the result of that muscle or actually different muscles. So when you massage, you want to apply the percussion head towards those areas of knots, do it for a few seconds and then go around in circles, etc. Play with it. But yeah. Thanks for watching. That was a brief video. 2 points to take away from this is to not go at the bone and to search for little knots and try and squeeze them out. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in another video.